Hello students. Today we will cover the following topics in Biology Chapter 8. Unicellular and multicellular organisms, organization of multicellular organisms, and basic parts of a cell. In our previous video we learned that unicellular organisms are made up of one cell, whereas multicellular organisms are made up of more than one cell. We learned about many examples of unicellular as well as multicellular organisms. We have also learned that cells vary in shape and size. That is because they have to perform a specific function. Now, let us explore some more about these unicellular organisms. Take a look at this amoeba. It has got finger-like projections which are called pseudopodia. Singular is called as pseudopodium. It has an irregular shape which keeps on changing. It can thus move by forming finger-like projections called pseudopodia in order to capture food. Observe the following illustration carefully. It will help you understand how an amoeba changes its shape in order to capture food. You can clearly see through the stages 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 which are describing each and every step of nutrition, starting from ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. In amoeba, the digestion occurs inside a food vacuole. Do you know any other cell that can change its shape? Yes, you're right. It is white blood cell. It can engulf bacteria in the same way amoeba obtains its food. It is also known as soldier of the cell, our body. How is an amoeba different from a white blood cell? I bet you can make out at least two differences. We know that everything in and around us is matter. Matter is made up of particles called atoms. But atoms are unstable, hence they combine to form simple and complex molecules. Simple and complex molecules called proteins, carbohydrates, fats, etc. organize into structural unit called cell. It is a cell from where the life begins. Hence, a cell is called as a basic unit of life. And the organization continues to become more and more complex and refined, ultimately forming an organism. Following illustration can help you understand better. Just observe how cells organize to form tissues, tissues organize to form organs, then organ systems, and ultimately organ systems are assembled to form a human body. Every cell has three basic parts, whether it is a plant cell or an animal cell. It will have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. These are also called as functional regions of the cell because all the functions of a cell occur across them only, about which we will study in our next video. Now, the time for assignment and revision. You are requested to go through the following links for better understanding and revision. You are also given a revision worksheet in MS Word format in your class group. Go practice it. Happy learning! Thank you.